Yugi! Yaoi! Mara Aquino too. What's really happening?
MLBB players switching? Why is everyone leaving MLBB for Honor of Kings? Find out why. Subscribe and watch. Click to know what's happening.
From Fire and Battle rose 3 legends, but who shall be crowned King of Heroes Gorge?
Bakit? Hindi masusulat ang susunod na kabanata kung hindi ko ililipat ang pahina.
Gusto ko ng buhay na mas madalas akong nagsabi ng oo kaysa baka.
Mas sabik na akong harapin ang hindi ko pa alam kaysa kumapit sa nakasalanan.
Ako na to, guys!
Gala, di mo siya ikaw.
Sabi sa propesiya, akin daw yan.
Ano sa'yo? Walang sa'yo.
Eh, yung propesiya na nagsabi, oh.
Wala kang sa'yo eh.
Sa totoo lang, sa kahariang to, lahat pwede maging king.
Tara!
Teka, 5 man dapat ah.
They've already built their names. Now, it's their time to build our kingdom.
What's making MLB players shift to Hokey? Is it the fresh gameplay, better graphics and smoother hero mechanics, bigger rewards, or more competitive esports scene?
Timmy!